invariably. So this one, especially with vowel sounds, your mouth might want to revert back to your association with the native sounds that you have. So this is going to take some practice, which is why I always have the IPA as well. It's a nice reminder. Even if you don't know what the symbols mean, it can help you see what they're not. So for this one, so it's not invadia. Your mouth doesn't open as much for the A. Invariably. Invariably. Good. So this means in a way that is constant, unchanging, or always the same. Invariably. So we're going to keep it small. Invariably. Now, by now, you might realize that your shoulders are a little bit tense. Relax the shoulders. Okay. And now let's put it in context. The quality of their products has invariably met our high standards over the years. The quality of their products, this is where you would small inhale, the quality of their products has invariably met our high standards over the years. So again, the chunking, right? It's not the full sentence. Really, this breaks down into 3 separate sections. 2, if you don't count the first inhale, 2 opportunities to breathe. When you're giving a presentation, when you're having a conversation, when you're in a meeting where all eyes are on you, breathing is essential. Otherwise, you're going to feel like you're drowning when you speak English. And over time, you'll create that association that speaking English equals anxiety. And a lot of it has to do with, at this point in your English, it's not about your nerves about English. That's been a misassociation that's held over from the beginning of your training. Now that you're an intermediate to advanced, you want to let go of that and you want to identify why that persists. And 99% of the time with people that I work with, it's because they're not breathing properly to help them feel confident. And let's check out the comments over here. I'm testing out some new features. Yes. Okay, so now I can put your comments on the screen. So you used to be more meticulous, and now you're allowing to go with the flow sometimes, especially having a new baby, right? It is so hard to go with the flow. I imagine I don't have kids, but seeing my friends with kids, you have to go with the flow. There are so many things you can't control. This is designed to help you really understand how to look, feel, and sound more confident, how to refine your American accent, and how to communicate in a way that is genuine to you. If all of this sounds like something that's interesting to you, welcome, and let's get started right now.